Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to show you how I make my easy clay mask at home to keep healthy glowing skin. So you're only going to need a few ingredients. You're going to need Russell clay, Aztec clay. You're also going to need some aloe vera juice, apple cider vinegar, and 2 vitamin E capsules with a container to store it. So I add about half of a tablespoon of the Russell clay inside the jar, and then I will go and add a full tablespoon of Aztec clay. And I'm going to mix these together guys so they're well blended before I add any liquid. That's how I always do any clay mask I'm doing for my hair or face. I like it to just blend it that way. Next, I'm going to add enough apple cider vinegar, which is usually about a tablespoon, to mix it, and it bubbles up when you first put it in there. So I love the way it's reacting, and I mix it in there until it still looks a little dry, but it's pretty mixed in there. I only need to add a little bit more liquid, and we're just going to mix that completely and add a little bit of aloe vera juice. And this is where you're going to mix it to the consistency that you want. I like to make mine a little bit more watery, not too thick or too dry, because I don't want the clays to dry out my skin. So I'll go and add the aloe vera juice a little bit at a time until I get the consistency that I would like. And then I'm going to go and leave this to sit for about 5 to 15 minutes and just let the clay and the liquid do their magic and come back to it. When you come back to this clay mask, you're going to notice that it looks a lot smoother. This is when I add my vitamin E capsules, and I'm going to mix this again, just not for about a minute longer. Once I feel that everything is completely mixed together, I notice the texture of it. You guys see how it looks a lot smoother, a lot more creamier. This looks like moisturizer type of texture you can put on your skin. This is how I like to make my clay mask, and guys, this is the result of it. I keep this on average of 3 to 5 days, depending on how I'm doing my mask. I don't only use this on my face, I use it on my face, neck, and chest area, so I make sure I don't keep it for too long. Also, make sure guys, when you're storing this, that you have something that's sealed tight. This little jar I have has a super tight seal lid, and I can afford to seal this away and no more moisture will get into it. And you just go in guys, grab this when you're doing your face mask. I just apply it on and let it work on my skin, and then I just rinse it off. And that's one of the ways I keep my skin healthy, my pores unclogged, and just keep bacteria or anything that could cause acne or breaks out off of my face for the most part guys. And that's one of the masks I've done to my face to help keep away all those acne problems I used to have. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel and click the little notification bell to know when I have new videos out. And of course, if you have any comments about how you make a clay mask for your skin, please comment and leave those comments down below, and all other comments, and give this video a thumbs up guys. Go over and watch my last video.